welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I use the Born Pretty watercolor gel polish to create a croc design, a croc nail art design. So first of all, I'm going to be using this color of gel polish from Lisa to create the French tip nail part, so that I'll be able to, this serves like the base for me before I do my croc nail art design. So I did the nail off camera, I applied the acrylic and I filed it because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. So I started applying my gel polish for French tip nail design to the back, because I recently got a client that came from the UK with their nails, and I liked how our French tip nail gel polish went all the way to the back. So I decided to try it and I love the outcome. So I'm switching to this way of drawing or creating my French nail tip. So I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds and applied gel polish on other nail. So I'm going to be using this watercolor gel polish from Born Pretty, like I said before. I'm going to be applying it on that tip part where there's the French tip design. I'm not going to cure this before I start creating my croc nail art. So what this does is to make the gel polish to spread in a nice pattern. So I'm using a dotting pail to pick my gel polish and using it to create the pattern which I want. I'm going to wait for a while for the gel polish to spread before I cure this in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm going to repeat this on all the nails. I'm going to cure them. I cure each fingernail as I'm working on it, so that I don't hear any story. Maybe the clients eat their hand or something, or they eat it on a towel or something. So I cure after each nail art design. So I'm going to apply this on all the, like I said, I want to create the nail art on all the fingernails, cure for 60 seconds, and before we come back to apply the top coat. So if you are coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all, so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'd like you to watch this video to the end, as this helps my analytics. You can also share this to anyone you think might be interested in learning something new. So that's that. What do I want to say again? I want to talk about my Google Access pin. I don't know how people in Nigeria get their AdSense pin, and I've heard other people saying that it takes a while before it gets to Nigeria, and some people actually get it very easy, but I did not get mine easily. In fact, I did not get it at all, and ad was stopped on my channel for a while. Then I put a post up on my community tab. Then Niela Obijaku replied or left a comment that I should check videos on YouTube about how to verify my address without using the access pin, which I did, and immediately I did that, the advert was restored to my channel, and I decided showing adverts again. So Niela, thank you for making me see another way which I could verify my address. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. God bless you.
Wavy. Oh na na, it's more sticks on the beat, yeah. Oh na na, say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I'ma need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking. 'Cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night.